Non-tox New York here. I want to show you how I've been shaving for the past year. It's quite a success story when you consider that it's non-toxic, it saves me money, it saves waste, and it works better. I use a combination of two shaving tricks or hacks, and I'm going to show them both to you. The first hack is what allowed me to forever stop using toxic shaving products. It turned out to be much easier said than done. Finding a non-toxic shaving cream that really was non-toxic, that didn't clog up my shaver, and that didn't have an obnoxious smell or an exorbitant price tag was, well, it was impossible. Out of my determination and my desperation, I got pretty creative. For a while I was shaving with an organic hair conditioner, and that was the best I could come up with, but it wasn't great. I thought about trying some bar soaps like some ladies use to shave their legs, but I never really liked bar soap. I always thought it was kind of messy and unsanitary. So I was really surprised when I figured out that if I had the right soap and I used it the right way, I could not only end up with a non-toxic shave, but also with the best shave of my life. What you need to know, and what I learned the hard way, is that 999 soaps out of 1,000 won't work well. Not for shaving, they won't. But I found one, and this is it. It's called Colloidal Silver Soap. It's by Heritage Store. And no, I don't work for them. I don't get anything if you buy this stuff, and I pay what everyone else does for it. Look at the ingredients in this soap. This just amazes me. There are 5 ingredients. They're all non-toxic. They're all things that I've eaten and that I would eat today. Disclaimer, do not eat soap. Seriously, don't eat soap. Not a good idea. Even though it says on this soap, gluten-free and vegan. I'm just saying that I'm very comfortable with the ingredients in this soap. And I've had to become very good at reading labels and finding toxins, potential toxins, latent toxins, and such. There may be other soaps as good as this, or maybe better, but I haven't found them. Anyway, this is how I use it to shave. First, I wet the soap, and then I put it back down. And then I wet my face. When my face is wet, I'll pick up the soap again, wet it and my hands a little more if I need to, and rub the soap vigorously between my hands like this. While I'm working with the soap, my wet face has a chance to really absorb some of the water. And this is a recommendation I heard for shaving many years ago from a dermatologist. So you can see what's happening with the soap. I'm getting a nice coating on my hands of what will become my shaving cream. Yes, folks, that's my shaving cream, and let me tell you, it works great. I've always had very sensitive skin, and shaving has always been a challenge for me, but with this I find I don't get razor burn or chemical irritation. It lubricates, but it doesn't irritate. And as you can see, it rinses right out of the blades, no problem. So that contributes to a good shave as well. Fragrance in products is another concern, as I think you know. And this soap has a very light scent, a light smell, and it comes from the herb rosemary. It's a light, natural scent that doesn't give me headaches, and it's non-toxic. In addition to that, rosemary and a number of other ingredients in this soap are antimicrobial. That means that mold, bacteria, viruses don't like this soap. I like it, but they don't. So I don't find I have to be concerned about it spoiling or it spreading disease. 2 other quick things about this soap. First of all, it's not very expensive. Dollar for dollar, it lasts longer than the shaving creams I used to use. Another thing is that it doesn't dry out my skin. It doesn't have any harsh detergents in it, like sodium lauryl sulfate, for example. And I've found that I've stopped buying facial moisturizer. It's just not an issue anymore. So I save money there, and it simplifies my life. Oh, I guess there's one other thing that I want to say, which is that the paper packaging on this, it's something that I can and do recycle, and it's easy to do. If I failed and the package ended up in a river or in the ocean or on a beach or a side of a road, it's going to fall apart and disintegrate harmlessly, and it's going to go away. You can't say that about a metal and plastic aerosol can. You just can't say that. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and be sure to watch part 2 where I show you my second shaving hack. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it makes my razors last 3 times longer, which saves me money and decreases waste. Take care, and remember to subscribe so that you can find your way back to Non-tox New York.